Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall at Make Money Online Niches, and you can check out my website, which is makemoneyonline-niches.com, and a link to that website will be in the description box below this video. Now today I am reviewing a product which is called NFT Collection Maker. Now if you're not familiar with the term NFT, it actually means non-fungible tokens, and what it is art that is created online and sells on various platforms. People that buy these NFT art collections and work for exchange of like Bitcoin, Ethereum and other different online crypto currencies. So that is basically the review product that I'm looking at today, which is a software and an app. Now it's brought to us by a guy called Andrew Darius, and this launch is going live on October the 12th at 10 a.m. Central US. So the 12th of October, 10 a.m. Central Time, and it's going to be in the launch phase until the 17th, Sunday the 17th of October, near to midnight. So that's the launch period for this. Now what I want to do today is take a look at the sales page for NFT Collection Maker, and then I have a demo video that I will let you have a look at, and then we can have a look at the bonuses that I have available if you decide to pick up the NFT Collection Maker through my link, which will be the first link in the description box below the video. So let's take a look at the sales page for NFT Collection Maker. Okay, so here we are on the sales page for NFT Collection Maker, and like I say, this is a cloud-based software app that lets you create these digital artworks, and there is a video on the sales page which basically is explainer for how the software works and what it will do. So basically then we can see that the artworks it's producing are to do with people, and so you build up that artwork within the software and make collections of these, and it's a very sort of simple process. But I have got the demo video which will be you can look at a little bit later. So you can make thousands of these collections. They're very unique artwork. There's all the software updates are included. It's a very easy to use software. It's a cloud app and there's nothing to install. There's a special found a special deal going on where you can get the software. It's going live, and currently the offer is going to launch in the next few hours. So it's basically these people are saying that it's insane, would save a ton of time and money, or developers, hats off. Loved the motion of the NFT maker, but you hit it out in the park. So that's one testimonial there. Another one, wow, it's really awesome. The revolutionary NFT creator in the world. It's definitely needed by everyone, even for people who don't understand blockchain at all. These actual artworks can sell for a lot of money. Earlier I did a review of a training program that was put together by a 12-year-old who was creating NFTs and selling the NFTs. I think he used Twitter to promote his artwork after he had created them, and that program was Latitude. The training program was Latitude. Now this is like one step beyond the Latitude, because it's basically a software app that is going to help you to create all of these sort of collections of artwork. So basically it's telling you how easy and how simple it is. You just, step one, you create within the categories, upload the base images, generate the previews, and export the collections. So it's telling you it's really simple to use. It's using AI technology, and it does all the heavy lifting. So you don't have to worry about generating massive crypto art collections, because the software, it's as easy as it gets. It's anyone can make an NFT ready crypto art collection without any prior art or tech experience. I have had a look at the demo video, and it does seem really simple once you've gone through the step-by-step process. So let's have a look at how the demo works and what is inside of this actual software product that we're demonstrating here, that we're looking at.
Okay, here we are inside the platform you can use with Mac or PC, and we'll see how fun and easy it is to make these great looking collections of generated art inside NFT Collection Maker. And you start by going to Create in the left panel, and we'll call this collection Demo B, hit Save, and the first thing you'll do is make the traits for the images its parts. And the first trait we'll make, hit Create, start with Background. Its default layer is 1, save it. The next trait will be Body, default layer 2, save. And the third trait will be Hair, default layer 3, and so on. And I'm going to go to Demo A to save time. It's already made, and this is what all the traits look like when they're finished. You can see all the layers and all the items that have been added to make the arts look so great. And you can add as many items as you like here. So let's check on the clothing preview window here and look, and these are the cool parts that you can add, and here you can define the rarity of the items you've added or chance of the items to be included in the image. And by default, it's 100 divided by the number of images, so you can see here this item appears in 3.85% in all the images in the collection. And of course, you can control how often you want certain items to appear by adjusting this fantastic handy slider. Now, in another item, a feature we haven't seen anywhere else, multi-images in each item. The same image with two parts, because some hair may not work with, say, the hoodie, so you can choose there, and also some more flexibility. Sometimes you don't want some items working with other items, so back to traits quickly here, open the hair preview. As an example, this beret here won't work with the hoodie I showed you, right? So you go to forbidden items here, and you add other items to not be generated in this image. And in this case, it's, you can see here, black hoodie clothing, bathrobe, and a few other items. Super, super, super cool. The perfect image you envision. All right, now back to the NFT panel to see how to generate your previews. And wait till you see how quickly that happens with thousands of unique images being generated in almost no time. So I just will delete these previews here so I can regenerate and show you the magic. So watch this. Generate preview, we're making 3,000 images, hit go. Not even in 2 seconds. And you have 3,000 images generated. So now you can review your images, and maybe you have a couple you don't want to use. I have 2 that I don't want generated with the 3,000, so I click on disable on each image. And so I go back to generate preview again. I will add 2 more, which will replace the 2 disabled images, and the TTC technology makes sure they are completely unique. So see, I actually have 3,002 images with 2 disabled to keep me at 3,000 images. You go to the Fresh button, and here are your newly generated unique images. And here they all are by pushing all. Wow! 3,000 fantastic images to generate. Each one is unique. You just can't do that manually. And there you are.
On my bonus page, and this is for the NFT Collection Maker. We've got a little bit more information about this product, and I can explain a little bit more about the funnel and the prices of NFT Collection Maker. Basically, you can find all the information, and like I say, we just had the demo video, and the demo video is also on my bonus page. So if you didn't quite catch everything, you can watch the demo video by clicking on the first link in the description box below, and you will be able to watch the demo video again. So it's basically super easy, straightforward for artists to get started, make these collections. Now this is the funnel for the NFT Collection Maker. It's starting on the front end of this product at $277. The upsell one is the Pro upgrade for $497, and upsell 2 is the agency upgrade, $997. So it's not something that you're just going to click and get for $27. This is a product and an app that is being put together by Andrew Darius, and it's not a cheap end app or software product. So you get access to all of the powerful Collection Maker software for the front end, and then the Pro upgrade, you're getting further integration, API, an upgrade to 10,000 collection size or 30 plus collections. Now the agency upgrade gives you the license to sell the NFT art collection making services and 5 team sub-accounts, 250 collections, and an upgrade to 20,000 collections in total. So that is basically the software app and basically my bonus page. If you want to take a look at the sales page again, any of these green buttons will take you through to the sales page for this NFT Collection Maker. And like I say, the demo video, you can watch it again. It's on my bonus page. This is it here, just before we get into all of the bonuses that I have available. So the bonuses that I have, let's take a look at the bonuses. So we've got bonus 1 is 2 high quality traffic sources you can use. And bonus number 2 is a traffic training for Bing ads, so you can accelerate your traffic with Bing. And bonus number 3 is the 40 lead magnets that you can use to boost your list. So if you're list building, or you just want to get people's eyes on your affiliate offers, then you can use these lead magnets. And bonus number 4 is 3 more top traffic methods to start getting the traffic to your affiliate offers and leads. Bonus 5 is, again, you would still receive and all of the vendor bonuses when you pick up this product through my link, the first link in the description box below. So that is the 4 bonuses I have available for this product. And if you like these review videos, you can give me a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give me a thumbs down, and hit the subscriber button. And if you want to see more of these videos, hit the notification bell. You will be given a notification every time I upload a video to my channel. And that's all I have on NFT Collection Maker for now, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.